Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create anime editing using CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already created a project on CapCut, and as you can see, I have imported some photos to this project, and you can add music to your project like this. And after that, we're going to add beat marks to the audio. I'm going to select the audio, and then we can go to the beats menu, and then I'm going to use auto generate, and then I'm going to click on the check mark, and you can cut the photo according to your beat marks like this. Okay, you can cut it one by one. Okay, and after that we're going to add keyframe. Oops, you can use split and delete to make it faster like this. Okay, done guys. I have already splitted my clips, and then I'm going to apply keyframe. You can select your clip and then add keyframe to the beginning and also the ending. Okay, you can add 2 keyframes, and then you're going to zoom in on the first keyframe, and you can repeat this tab. Wait, you can add the grab as well. Select grab and then choose flow to this one. Okay, and repeat this tab for each clip. Keyframe, keyframe, and then zoom in like this, and then you're going to add grab. Wait, I'm going to select flow. Okay, alright, done for all the clips, and then we're going to go to the effect, select video effect, and then I'm going to add black flash to effect, this one. Okay, and then you're going to make it align with all your clips, and the next one you're going to add play pendulum. Okay, and I'm going to choose this effect, and I'm going to adjust the intensity. I'm going to make it 15. Okay, done. And then this is for the final result guys. Wait, let me play it louder. Okay, yeah, that's so cool. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create anime video editing using CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.